Hello students, welcome back to the online teaching classes, Divine Public School, Monapur, Gorakhpur. Today we are going to study English class 10th, first flight, chapter 11th, the proposal, part 3rd. Let's begin the text. Lomo, no, you just think I am a fool and want to have me on. You call my land yours, and then you want me to talk to you calmly and politely. Good neighbors don't behave like that. Stephen Stepanovich, you are not a neighbor, you are a grabber. In our previous video, when Lomo and Natalia were shouting at each other, Lomo told Natalia the land was his, but Natalia was not ready to accept. In the meantime, hearing the shouting of Lomo and Natalia, Chubuko enters. At this, Natalia told Chubuko, her father, to tell Lomo that the land was not his. That land means Oxen Meadows. She asked her father to tell him that Oxen Meadow, Oxen Meadows belong to them. At this, Chubuko adds fuel to the fire, taking the sides with his daughter, and he claims that the meadows belong to them. Then Lomo said, no, you just think I am fool. Don't think me as a fool. I want to have me on. And want to have me on? You call my lands yours. And then you want me to talk you calmly. That means peacefully, politely. Good neighbors don't behave like that. And you know that this is the identification of good neighbors. This is the manner of a good neighbor. Stepan Stepanovich, you are not a neighbor, you are a grabber, you are dishonest. Chobuko, what's that? What did you say? Natalia, Papa, send the movers. Movers means grass cutter. Out to the meadows at once, immediately. Chobuko, what did you say, sir? Natalia, oxen meadows are ours, and I shan't give them up. She is not ready to leave that oxen meadows. Shan't give them up. Definitely, of course, she will not leave that meadow. Shan't give them up. 3 times she told that what may come, at any rate, she will not leave oxen meadows. Why? Because that oxen meadows belong to her. Lomo, we will see. I will have the matter taken to the court. He threatens to take the matter to court, and then I will show you. When he will take this matter to the court, and he will let her to show. Chobuko was amazed. To court? You can take it to court? And all that? You can. All that is to take this matter to court. You can. I know you. You are just on the lookout for a chance. It means that you are looking for a chance to go to court and all that. Your profit, your petty fogger, your petty fogger. Petty fogger means dishonest. It means that you are pettifogger, very dishonest. All your people were like that, all of them. He blamed he blamed that all your people, all your persons are dishonest. Lomo, never mind about my people. Don't talk about my people. The Lomos have all been honorable people. They have been always respectable person, and not one has ever been tried for embezzlement. Embezzlement means fraudulent, like your grandfather. Not a single person of Lomo's family is fraudulent, like your grandfather. Chobuko, you Lomos have had lunacy in your family. At this, Chobuko told, reminded him, your family have the habit of lunacy. It means your family members are mad, all of you. Natalia, yes, all are mad. Chobuko, your grandfather was a drunkard. He abused. And your young aunt, Nastasia Mihailovna, Nastasia Mihailovna ran away, fled away with an architect, and so on. It means both of them are abusing each other. Condemn the bad deed of their family. Lomo, and your mother was humbugged. You know what is the meaning of humbug? Means hump on the back. Clutches at his heart. Lomo, hearing this, he clutches at his heart. Something pulling in my side. Something drawing in my side, my head. Help! Water! Fetch water! Chobuko, your father was a guzzling gambler, and Chobuko blamed him. He told that his father was a greedy, eating, and that means an indecent person, one who plays a game of chance. Natalia, and there haven't been many backbiters to equal your aunt. Backbiter means, you know, one who talks nasty things about a person back. That is backbiter. Chobuko, my left foot has gone to sleep. You are an intruder, dishonest, conspirator. Oh, my heart. Oh, my dear. And it's an open secret that before the last election, you, Bry, I can see stars. Where's my hat? Natalia, it's low. It's dishonest. It's mean. It's the base. Mean act. It's dishonest. It's menial. Chibuko, and you are just a malicious. Malicious, you know what is the meaning of malicious? Malicious means evil, jealousy. So you are malicious and double faced intruder, double faced conspirator. Yes, you are. Lomo, here's my hat, my heart, my dear. Which way? Where is the door? Where is the door? Oh, I think I am dying. My foot is quite numb. My foot has become quite cold. Who told this? Lomo, because he pretended to be ill. Goes to the road. Chobuko following him, and don't set foot in my house again. Don't keep your foot at my house again. He reminded Natalia, take it to court. We will see. If you want to take this matter to the court, take it to court and we will see. Lomos staggers out. Staggers out means walking unsteadily. Chubuko, they will take him. Walks about in excitement. Natalia, what a rascal! What a knave! What trust can one have in one's neighbors after that? After this, nobody can trust like such a neighboring person. Chubuko, the villain, the wicked, the scarecrow. You know what is the meaning of scarecrow? Awkward person. Natalia, the monster, the devil. First he takes our land. First he grabs our land and then he has the impudence to abuse us. Impudence means shamelessly. Impudence means shamelessly abuse us. Natalia told it to told it to her father, Chubuko, and that blind hen. Chubuko also taking the side of his daughter and called Lomo blind hen. Yes, that a turnip ghost, evil spirit, has the confounded cheek to make a proposal. Confounded, you know what is the meaning of confounded? Confounded means frustrated, puzzled. Confounded means frustrated and puzzled cheek to make a proposal. He has such a awkward face, awkward personality. He is frustrated and puzzled. How can, with this face, he make, how can he make a proposal? And so on. What a proposal? What does it mean? What does it mean? That means what is the meaning of proposal? If such type of person will propose to anybody, any girls, there is no meaning of that. Chobuko, why he came here to propose to you? For what reason he came to to you? Natalia, it means that when Natalia hears from her father that from her father that her father's that he, that means Lomo, had come to propose to her. She was amazed, astonished, surprised. To propose, she was taken aback. She had come to propose me, means propose to her. Why didn't you tell me so before? Now, Natalia was so angry and she told her father, why didn't you tell me earlier, Chubuko? So he dresses up in evening clothes. That's why for proposal he had come to you to meet you, and that's why he dresses up in evening clothes. The stuffed sauces. Stuffed sauces means packed or shaped dress, or that's why he was fully in packed and shaped dresses. The vision faced. The vision means withered. Vision means withered, faced, and frump. That means unattractive. It means wearing evening clothes he had come to propose you in such a packed or shaped or full dress, and you know that her his face was pale and withered and having that miss unattractive and drab appearance. Who told it to? Chobuko told it to Natalia about Lomos. Natalia, to propose to me? Ah, falls into an easy chair and wails. Hearing that Lomo had come to propose her, she starts moaning and she falls into an easy chair and wails. She started wailing for him. Bring him back, back, ah, bring him back here. She told her father, she asked her father to bring him back, to bring Lomos back. She pressurized her father to bring Lomos back here at his house. Chobuko, bring whom here? To whom shall I bring here? Natalia, quick, hurry up, quick, hurry up. I am ill. Fetch him, bring him here. Hysterics, that means being unconscious. Chobuko, what's that? What happened to you? What is the matter with you? Clutches at his head. Chobuko clutches his head. Oh, unhappy man that I am. How unhappy man that I am. I will shoot myself. I will shoot myself. I will hang myself. We have done for her. It means he blames himself that he had done something wrong with his daughter. So that's why he condemned himself to shoot, to hang. At this, Natalia, I am dying, fetch him. It means she is owing for love, owing for the love of Lomos, and tells that she is going to die until and unless you will bring him here. Chubuko, Tufu, at once, don't tell, don't shout. At once, he tells to Natalia, don't to, oof, don't yell, don't shout, runs out. And at this, seeing the condition of Natalia, he runs out of the house and there was a pause. Natalia, Natalia, Stepnona wails, she moans for the love of, for the love of, for the love of whom? Lomo. And then she said, what have they done to me? Fetch him back, fetch him back. What have they done to me? Bring him back, bring him back. There was a pause. Chubukos runs in and gets inside the room, get inside the house. Chobuko, he's coming, and so on. They will take him. And immediately he runs inside the house and informed Natalia that he is coming and so on. They will take him. Oof, talk to him yourself. And told her daughter, you yourself will talk to him. I don't want to talk to Lomos. Natalia wails, moans, and tells her father to fetch him, to bring him. Chubuko else shouts, he is coming, I tell you. I tell you, no, he is coming. Oh, what a burden, what a burden, Lord, to be the father of grown up daughter. What is your worry? What is an anxiety to be the father of a grown up, an adult daughter? I'll cut my throat. I will. And he is condemned for being a daughter of such grown up adult daughter. In fact, we cursed him, and now he started cursing himself for abusing Lomo, abused him, drove him out, and they both means daughter and father mixing together and abusing him and drove him out of the house. And it's all you only, it is because of you I drove him out. Natalia, no, it was you. It means here the matter twist between father and daughter. Father is blaming, you are the reason to drive him out, and daughter tells to his to her father that you are the reason. She blames she blames her father that you are the reason to take him out. Natalia, no, it was you. Chobuko, I tell you, it's not my fault. It is not my fault. Lomos appears at the door. Now you talk to him yourself. Exit. Now Lomo enters, exhausted, being tired. Actually, he was not tired. He pretended to be tired. My heart's palpitating. Palpitating means breathing. Awfully means very fast. My foot's gone to sleep. His foot's, it means that his foot has become numb, cold. There's something that keeps pulling in my side. There is something that keeps drawing in his side. At this, Natalia, forgive us, Ivan Vasilevich. We were all a little heated, miss, a little tempered. I remember now. Oxen meadows really are yours. I remember that. It means she remembers. Now, oxen meadows really are yours, means his. My dear student, just I want to make you very clear. When she came to know that Lomo had come to propose her, then she started telling that, accepting that oxen meadows are really his, not her. Lomo, my heart's beating awfully. That means very fast. My meadows, my eyebrows are both twitching. It means that his meadows and his eyebrows both are twitching. That means twisting together. Natalia, the meadows are yours. Yes, yours. Of course. Meadows are, oxen meadows are yours, not hers. And she said, to sit down. She requested to sit him down. They sit, we were wrong. And she told him that she and her father were wrong, telling him that oxen meadows belong to them. Lomo, I did it on principle. Principle means a fundamental assumption. Lomo told Natalia that he did it on the basis of a fundamental assumption. My land is worth little to me. His land is value very little to him. But the principle, but on the basis of a fundamental assumptions. Natalia, yes, the principle. Just so. Now let's talk of something else. Now let's talk something about else. At this, Lomo says to her, the more so as I have evidence, proof, my aunt's grandmother gave the land to your father's grandfather's peasants, tenants. Natalia, yes, yes, of course. Let that pass aside. I wish I knew how to get him started. Aloud. That means loudly. Are you going to start shooting soon? Natalia says to Lomo. Lomo, I am thinking of having a go at the black cock. Black cock means a male black grouse. It is a name of bird. Honored Natalia Stepnona after the harvest. After the harvest, he would go for hunting a male black grouse bird. Oh, have you heard this? Just think, what if misfortune I have had? My dog, guess who you know has gone lame. Lame means that means just he want to tell Natalia that his pet dog, whose name is Guess, has become lame, has gone lame. Natalia, she feels, sorry, she feels pity for his dog, and she wanted to know the reason why. That's why Natalia says, "What's the pity? Why? What is the reason that your pet dog has gone lame?" Lomo, I don't know how it happened. Must have got his leg twisted or beaten by some other dog. Sigh, taking deep breath. My very best dog, and he is appreciating his dog. To say nothing of the expense I gave Maruno. Maruno, that is the name of a person from whom Lomo had purchased and bought his dog Guess in when 25 rubles means Russian currency for him, for himself. Natalia, it was too much, and you have given so much amount of money. It was too much. Ivan Vasilevich, you have paid too much for your pet dog. Lomo, I think it was very cheap. He is a first rate dog. You know, first rate dog means a super having good quality. Natalia, Papa gave 85 rubles for his squeezer, and she told Lomo that her father had bought Squeezer, her pet dog, in 85 rubles means 85 Russian currency. He has paid for his Squeezer 85 rubles. And Squeezer is heaps better than Gaze. And you know that Squeezer is stronger and he can jump much better than your dog Gaze. She told it to Lomo. Lomo. At this, Lomo says, Squeezer better than Gaze. He was just making fun. What an idea. He laughs. Squeezer better than Guess? Natalia, of course, he's better. Of course, he's better than Guess. Squeezer is young. He may develop a bit, but on points and pedigree, you know what is the meaning of pedigree? Means breed. But on points and breed, he's better than anything that even Walchen Walchal sorry Volchanetsky has got. Lomo, excuse me, Natalia Stepnona, but you forget that he is overshot. You know what is the meaning of overshot? Overshot means superb, and overshot always means the dog is a bad hunter. Natalia, overshot is he. The first time I hear it. Lomo, I assure you that his lower jaw is shorter than the upper. Natalia, have you measured, estimated, calculated? Have you seen it? Lomo, yes, he's alright at following, of course, but if you want to get hold of anything, Natalia, in the first place, our squeezer is a thoroughbred. Thoroughbred means of having good quality, good breed, well bred animal. So Natalia told Lomo that Squeezer is a well bred animal, the son of harness and chisels. While there's no getting at the pedigree, that means breed of your dog at all, he is old and as ugly as a worn out, that means old and cab horse. Lomo, he's old, but I won't take 5 squeezers for him. Why? How can you guess he's a dog? As for squeezer, well, it's too funny to argue. Anybody you like has a dog as good as squeezer. You may find them under every bus almost 25 rubles would be a handsome price to pay for him. Natalia, there's something demon of contra- contradiction. Contradiction means contradiction, opposite idea. There is an evil of opposite idea in you today. Ivan Vasilevich, first you pretend that the meadows are yours. Now that guess is better than squeezer. I don't like people who don't say what they mean because you know perfectly very well that squeezer is 100 times better than your silly guess. Why do you want to say he isn't? Why do you oppose that squeezer is not better than guess your dog? Lomo, I see, Natalia Stepnovna, that you consider you think me either blind or fool. You must realize that squeezer is overshot. Natalia, it's not true. Lomo, he is. Natalia, it's not true. Lomo, why shout, madam? Why are you shouting, madam? Natalia, why talk rot? It's awful, awkward. It's time your guess was short and you compare him with squeezer. You should not compare. You should not compare guess with squeezer. Lomo, excuse me, I can't continue this discussion. My heart is palpitating. That means breathing fast. Natalia, I have noticed that Those hunters argue most who know least. Lomo, madam, please be silent. My heart is going to pieces. Shouts, shut up. Natalia, I shan't shut up until you until you admit that Squeezer is 100 times better than your guess. That means your dog guess. Lomo, 100 times worse? You can say not better, 100 times worse. Be hanged to your Squeezer. His head, eyes, shoulder, everything is worst.